Did you know the CDC reports that 1 in 36 children are now identified with autism spectrum disorder? This is a huge increase from just a few years ago. This rising number highlights the need for daycare and childcare centers to provide specialized attention, patience, and understanding for children with autism. Sadly, some of these children, especially nonverbal kids, become vulnerable to abuse or neglect by caregivers who are unqualified, untrained, or simply don't understand their unique needs. One recent case we handled in Texas involved a nonverbal child with autism who was physically abused at daycare. The center tried to cover it up, claiming the scratches on his face were self-inflicted, something that had never happened before. Unfortunately, we've seen too many cases like this, where negligent daycares fail children with autism by cutting corners on safety and care. Here's what we've observed about daycares that frequently have these incidents. There's a high caregiver turnover rate. The caregivers are not completing the annual training requirements. The daycares are exceeding mandated child to caregiver ratios. There's a lack of surveillance cameras. There are unqualified caregivers with no knowledge of autism, or the directors fail to supervise the daycare staff. For parents, it's critical to recognize the warning signs of abuse, especially for children who are nonverbal. Watch for changes in behavior like avoidance of specific caregivers, eating or sleeping pattern disruptions, regression in skills or milestones, sudden behavior changes like aggression or withdrawal, unexplained injuries, or self-harm behaviors. If you suspect your child is being abused or neglected, take immediate action. Document what you notice, seek medical attention, and report the incident to the Texas Department of Family and Protective Services. Then, contact our team of daycare and child injury lawyers to explore your legal options. Filing a lawsuit holds negligent daycares accountable and allows you to protect other children in the future. Your child's safety is our top priority. At the Button Law Firm, we help families navigate these tough situations. If you need guidance or support after a daycare injury, don't hesitate to reach out. If you aren't ready to talk to us just yet, we understand. You can download our free 5-step guide on what to do after a daycare injury through the link below. We're here to keep you and your family moving forward.